Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm just going to update you the charting scanner for our Google Sheet. So here we using Camarilla R4 to give you the breakout in direct option chart itself. So here, how to find out the stocks? Mainly, it's a major question for that. So I'm just using normal after 9:30, a stock which given you the fresh breakout that I was looking for a Camarilla R4 breakout. Okay, so for example, these are all the stocks which triggers. So maybe S-Cards is not a liquid one. So let me check S-Cards. The strike price is somewhere around 3840. Let me check. Maybe this is not a liquid one. This is not a liquid, so why we got that particular strike price having almost a 2,500 percentage. So I'll before taking a trade, you should consider, you should check whether the liquid or not, whether the option is having good volume or not. So that simple condition which I finding out the stocks based on our Google Sheet. And today I was not tracking any, so that's why I was not making any shorts videos also, because I was not available today. And for example, I just using this conditions 9:30 after I'll look for a fresh breakout based on the Google Sheet. And that means the stock, that particular option strike price, which not broken the R4 level in the first candle. That is the main condition. And after that, I just consider as a fresh breakout. And I'm just looking for a 9:30 to 9:45. So that's the first candle. If the second candle, any stock which given you the breakout, I will select some 3 stocks based on the top order. So from there, I'm just watching a stock and it is giving you such a good result. And now, if anyone want to check this sheet, and also we have added some values on our Google Sheet at 9:30, whatever the stock which is triggered earlier, that would be removed from the list. Okay, so now one few 2 videos back, I was saying about I'm just going to update you the dashboard, which helping you to find out a stock which given you the R4 breakout and the first time on the day. So that I was taken out first candle, second candle, third candle. So this is what a dashboard. Those who are currently using our Google Sheet, so you can just ping me on my WhatsApp, or you can just uh, ping me if you want this particular dashboard. I will just share you the link to you. Okay, how this dashboard will work. So here I'm just say filter out of 4 different time frames: the first candle, second candle, that means the second candle, third candle, fourth candle, and fifth candle. So means first 9:15 to 9:30 candle we are ignoring. After that, how many stocks which given you the breakout, and at what particular time frame. So maybe if it is a second candle, means it is going to give you a trigger by 9:30 to 9:45. And the third means it is on the third candle, which is 9:45 to 10. So here this one, in the upside is a bullish one, the downside we are making for a bearish one, as like a ADR scanner. Okay, so this is 9:30 to 9:45. This one we are looking for a 9:45 to 10, and 10 to 10:15, and 10:15 to 10:30. So this is what a time frame. So in the 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, if any stocks which given you the breakout, that stock would be available on this list, those which given you the breakout at this particular time. Okay, so that is what the thing. So it will never repaint when the stock comes into the scanner, and even it is triggers a stop loss also, it will be available there itself. Okay, it is not a repaint one. Okay, so first 15 minutes we have those much of stocks like Bharati Airtel in downside, and NMDC, DLF and upside. So let me check, will it satisfy our condition. DLF, the stock which is happening, you can look at this, the exact breakout. First candle it not broken, the second candle only it broken that R4 level, and maybe pivot as a stop loss near about 813 to 807. Same time, if you are looking at our Google Sheet, what should be the strike price? So let me check the DLF whether it is giving you 800. Okay, so right now the market is expecting on some news like the results and also exit poll. So that is why the IV are very high, and the premium of the options also be high. So if you are our positional trader, always focus on edging kind of trade only, not go for a naked one. So if market reverse or continues the trend, means the premium drop will be very fast, because IV is currently highest level comparing to the last 1 year. So and also we have many stocks having more IV. Okay, so our monthly IV sheet also updated. but only the premium is going to update it tomorrow. But as of now, what are the stocks which I'm going to focus for the month of June? So that is also updated. As of now, I just shown you the monthly update for the month of June. So based on our concept, we updated some 15 stocks. Only the strike price and premium of that particular option which is not going to update. So maybe it will update it tomorrow. So this is what based on our, see, you can see almost 150 stocks having more than, see, almost 134 stocks having more than 90, and almost 85 is about 150 stocks. It is due to the election result expectation, and after the result maybe it continues the trend or reversal from the highest level. Both can be possible. If you are planning our hedging advanced option strategy, you just plan with an hedging kind of trade, so like a 2.1, 3.2 or future option hedge, that can be possible. Okay, don't go for a naked. So after fifth, then there will be a clear confirmations about the trend after the result. Okay, so or you can wait it. Okay, let me come to the point. So this is the stock which is triggers on the second candle. So based on our concept, 800 is the strike price. Let me check DLF 800. Okay, based on our Google sheet, sorry, we are going to find out one or two opportunities for the D. So here 800 call option, it is never breaks the R4 level. Okay, even the stock broken, here it is not broken. The reason why, it is having high IV and the premium are very high. So almost 51 points, right, current now ATM strike price nearby 51 rupees. So that is the reason. But here the stock has given you the breakout and it was working good. So from that point around 813, 10 rupees it increased. So here some of the option which is given, but here we are filtering based on the strike price. Here we are filtering based on the stock. Like NMDC 260 is the closing price. In our sheet, NMDC is there anywhere? Let me check NMDC. NMDC 250 call option is our strike price 18 to 20. So NMDC 250 call option, where I'm just looking for 250 call option. Yeah. So here the breakout only happened near about 1 o'clock only, but our R4 on the stock which broken here, the third second candle, you can see 930 to 945 candle, the high which given, and also it is trigger your stop loss. Maybe if you are keeping a pivot, but after that another breakout, but the option itself, it is giving you the breakout by 1 o'clock only. Okay, so here the premiums are very higher in level, so that may be the reason. But here that exactly the stock which given you the breakout. For example, ITC and Federal Bank, that given you the breakout on the third candle. ITC and 15 minutes time frame. So here the breakout, third candle 945. After that is slight move and then it came down to trigger your stop loss. But whether it is a triggers on the option side, it is question. Okay, so in Google Sheet we are directly filtering out options for 25 call option of ITC 25. That I think it never triggered the R4 because the R4 is 14.8. It maximum moves to 13 points. So maybe sometimes the stocks triggers, but the option is not triggered. Maybe you can combine whether the stock and option both is triggers. Then it would be a great opportunity to find one or two trade opportunity based on our Google Sheet scanner. And this one will help you to find out there is a breakout band. So for example, Bharati Airtel in the first candle itself, it broken the downside. Okay, in 15 minutes, second 15 minutes. Here, there is a second 15 minutes where the S4 broken 1364 and it came down. So in the same case, in Bharati Airtel, what should be the put strike price? Where it is, we are looking for a R4 breakout in options. Okay, that you don't confuse. In the stocks, we are looking for an S4 breakdown, but in a put option, we are looking for an R4 breakout. So let me check what is the strike price Bharati Airtel. So 1380 put option. Okay. So let me go for Bharati Airtel 1380 put option and June contract. That is not available liquidity. So there is no perfect chart here. So simply ignore it. And after some times later, we have some of the stocks like IRCTC, HAL that are PFC that was triggered on the third candle. So let me check PFC. First two candle is not triggered, third candle only triggered. So almost 489. So maybe our strike price is 500. So PFC 500 put option. Whether it is R4 level. Yeah, here in this case, so exactly 945, 950. It given you the breakout around 32, end up to 39. Maybe our pivot point is from that point somewhere around 4 rupees risk, and it moves near about 7 rupees. Maybe one opportunity which we find out, and PFC, and after that it recovered. Okay, then it is closing to the same price, but meanwhile it is moving more than 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio compared to the R4 and the pivot, and it is already reached to the maximum prices. And these are the data where we find out based on our Google sheet. It's only a option where it is given you the breakout, and this is what scanner which help you to find out. It may be useful for equity trading, and also from this list of stocks we can easily find out one or two opportunities. And let me check an REC on fourth candle. It broken on stock S4. Let me check on the fourth 15 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, fourth candle it given in the breakdown. Okay, so after that it slightly recovered, but it not give you such a good moment. So let me check if it is a strike price 550 REC 550 call option. Let us given it the R4 breakout. It doesn't give you. Sorry, REC 550 put option. Yeah, there is a second candle itself. It is given in the breakout. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Third candle. So where our sheet here, this is a fourth candle. But before the stock breaks, that option will give you the breakout, and it was moving towards from that point. But here the risk is very big. But from 39 and 45, almost 6 rupees. But if you are looking at the pivot, it would be very big. I think 31, so somewhere around 8 point. But it is closing at the same level. So in Google Sheet, we are directly filtering out that option strike prices, but in our this charting, we are filtering out the equity stocks. So after finding that, so we are going to get the good result either with stocks which broken R4 or S4, that we simply finding out. This scanner which I'm going to give you free only for my Google Sheet subscribers. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and if you want access to this sheet, this particular scanner, just ping me and I will send you on personally. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. And any other questions or doubt, just ping me on the comment box. Thank you so much.